Osha Root, the Colorado cough root, the lung specialist. Osha Root is known for its treatment of the lungs. Also known as the Colorado cough root, the root was used in the treatment of the respiratory system by treating infections. Osha is known for its anti-inflammatory, antibacterial properties. Because of this, it is used for cold and flu, coughs, bronchitis, sore throats, and sinus infections. Native Americans traditionally use Osha to treat long-term inflammation buildup. Osha root helps boost the immune system, alleviating breathing issues, treating digestive issues, and treating conditions of arthritis and pain, carpal tunnel syndrome, which are commonly caused by inflammation buildup. Osha root has been used to treat forms of leukemia due to its effect on the lymphatic system. Osha root helps the body to rid itself of free radicals. Osha root has been used to treat tuberculosis, hemorrhages, convulsions, herpes, HIV, pneumonia, heart problems, allergies, and congestion. The leaves, roots, and seeds are all usable, mainly used to season meat and beans and eaten in salads. Avoid water hemlock, which looks similar to Osha root. Water hemlock is poisonous and should be used with care. One distinct difference is the water hemlock roots have a purplish color with a parsnip scent. Always consult your doctor before supplementing herbs for prescribed medication. Women that are pregnant or thinking about getting pregnant should consult your doctor before using this herb. Do not take Osha root while breastfeeding. Consult your doctor before giving Osha root to small children. Thanks for watching. Hit that notification bell. Like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know if you found other use cases for Osha root.